Yes, sir.
A man takes a step forward with probability 0.25. So probability forward is 0.25 and probability backward is 0.75. Uh, Find the probability that at the end of 11 steps, he is one step away from a straight starting point. So if he starts from here, what is the probability that he will be one step away from the starting point? How can you do that? তা না এরকম যাচ্ছি আবার পিছন দিকে যাচ্ছি আবার এরকম 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 করে যাচ্ছে so what it's saying, what is the probability? Obviously there are two possibilities, either you will go forward or you will go backward. So either he will go forward or it will go backward. So if he goes forward or backward, so how he can be one step ahead after 11 steps? So this is your probability of success is 0.25 and probability of failure is 0.75. So what is the value of n? This is a binomial distribution problem. Binomial কেন? Why binomial? Because there are two possibilities, either forward or backward. So whenever there are two possibilities, we can use binomial distribution. And how many steps is taking? So maximum is taking 11 steps. So n is equals to 11. And ultimately where he will stand? Ultimately we will stand one step forward. So the value of x is equals to 1. Value of x equals to 1. And if x can be either 1 or maximum can be 11 or it can be 0, cannot be negative. This way it cannot be negative because x cannot be taken as negative. So putting ncx p to the power x 1 minus p to the power n minus x, you can find that probability. Okay, can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Then see, there are some questions. You don't need to do all the questions. Question number 7. Question number 7. The odds in favor of A winning a game of chess against B are 3 by 2. Manaki, what is the meaning of this? Odds in favor of A. Question number 7. Odds in favor of A winning a game of chess against B. Odds in favor of A 3 is to 2. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? Who can tell me what is probability of A winning? Anybody who can tell me what is the meaning of this statement? The odds in favor of A winning a game of chess against B are 3 is to 2. So it means A will win 3 times and B will win 2 times if 5 times game is played. So that means probability of winning of A is 3 by
5.
3 by 5. Obviously probability of B winning is 2 by
2 by 5.
2 by 5. Obviously either A will win or B will win. That is we are not considering draw, but in case of chess there is possibility of draw. But here there is no. So if 3 games are played to be played, what are the odds that in favor of A winning at least 2 games out of 3? So at least 2, at most 2, these things we have already discussed. At least, at most, we have already discussed. Just go through the previous videos that we have already uploaded. I think I have uploaded all the videos, isn't it? Previous videos. So,
Yes, sir.
so So what we have is, so in this case, out of what we have to find, just write this way. So just write this way. Key here n is 3 because they are playing 3 games, and let x is the number of games that A will be winning. X is the number of games. So we have to find out probability x greater than equals to 2. Taito? This is what it asked. First question number 1. That
Greater than equal.
in favor of A is winning at least 2 games out of 3. At least 2. So at least 2 means x is greater than equals to 2. That means you have to find out probability x equals to 2 plus probability x equals to 3. Probability x equals to 2 and probability x equals to 3. These two probability. So what will be the probability? Probability will be key n. Oh, n is 3. N is 3. So 3c2 3 by 5 to the power 2 and 2 by 5 to the power 1. তাই তো এটা হচ্ছে probability of getting 2 games winning plus 3c3 3 by 5 to the power 3 and 2 by 5 to the power 0. So how much is this? Calculate করো. This will be, প্রথমটা হচ্ছে 3 square into 2 by 5 5 cube plus 3 cube by 5 cube. So it will 25. 3 cube by 5, 3 to the power 4 by 5 cube হবে সিম্পলিফাই করলে। দেখো তো, চেক করো। Can you check? এইখানে 3 cube হয়ে যাচ্ছে, এখানেও 3 cube. If you take common 3 cube by 5 cube common, so what is remaining is 2 plus 1, so that is 3. So it becomes 3 to the power 4 by 5 cube is the answer of this problem. Let's do the first one. Question number 1 is a practical question. A manufacturer purchases a finished component from other manufacturer. The components are delivered in batches of 1,000. So batches of 1,000. That means in a packet there are 1,000 items, and is considered by the purchaser to be unacceptable if it contains 60 faulty components. তার মানে কি হচ্ছে? So say a manufacturer buys certain component from another manufacturer, and in a packing box there are thousands. In a particular box there are 1,000 components have been put. So see, this is a simple quality control, or how statistics or probability can be used in quality control. So what is the decision of the manufacturer? That he will not accept if it contains more than 60. So if number of defective items is greater than 60 in 1,000. In 1,000, if it is greater than 60, you will reject that consignment. You will reject that consignment. That is the decision that they have taken. Reject the consignment. Okay. The purchaser unacceptable if it contains more than 60 faulty components. The purchaser's quality control department adopts the policy. See, without reading it, I have already said that's the quality control part. Purchaser's quality control department adopts the policy of checking 40 components chosen randomly. So 40 components chosen randomly. So it's trying to choose 40 components randomly. From a batch of 1,000. তাহলে 1,000 এর মধ্যে যদি, so 1,000 So what is the probability of fault? So here we will be writing this way. Lambda is average number of, please do along with me, average number of uh, average number of, what should I say, faults. So that means 60 out of 1000 that has been given. So 60 out
Yes.
of 60 out of 1000 means how much? So 60 out of 1000 means 60 by 1000 comes as 60 out of 1000 comes as how much? Point
0.06.
0.06. আর ও কি বলেছে? So he has chosen 40 randomly. But see, choosing checking 1000 components is a difficult job. এরকম যদি 10খানা বক্স থাকে, 10 প্রত্যেকটা বক্সে 10টা বক্সে থাকলে 1000 into 10, that means 10,000 total check করা difficult. So what he does, from a particular box, he chooses 40 of them randomly. He chooses 40 of them randomly. And 40 এর মধ্যে he decides যদি তিনটের বেশি থাকে, so if it is 40 কটা, how many? If there are more than 3 out of 40. So if it is more than 3 out of 40, then the batch is rejected. Find the probability of rejecting the lot. Here, please try to follow what I'm saying. Here we will use Poisson distribution. Why we will use Poisson distribution? Because although here the number n is quite large, n is 1000. So n is 1000 and p is 0.06. n is 1000 and p is 0.06 কি করে পেলাম? 60 out of 1000. So probability of default item, defected item is 0.06, because 60 out of 1000 that has been said. So n into p is 60, n into p is 60, np is constant. I think I have said in the last class that binomial distribution can be converted to Poisson distribution if n is large and p is small and np is constant. I think I have said that in the previous class. So here np is constant and that is equals to 60. Now for 40 items, so what is 40 into 0.6? 0.06 কত হয়? How much? কত ক্যালকুলেট করো?
2.4. 2.4.
2.4. So it comes as 2.4. Yes, it's 2.4. So they have decided যদি 3 or more, if there are more than 3, then you can reject 3 or more. So let's do it fully again. So please write the problem solution as solution. So n equals to 1000, p equals to 0.06, and here we will be using Poisson distribution where lambda equals to n into p, that is 60 in this case. A second. I think I was making a mistake in the value of lambda. Can you see? Students, can you see my board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the value of lambda is will be 40 into 0.06, because that is 2.4. Please try to understand. Because in standard, out of 1000 there are 60 defective. That's the probability. So in 40, the expected number of faults will be expectation na, lambda is what we have already said, lambda is expectation. So lambda is the expectation. So out of 40, in 40 the expected number of defective items is
6
2.4.
4.
2.4. So 40 into 0.06. So the value of lambda will be 40 into 2.6. That was the mistake I was doing. So let's write it again. Here n is equals to, so we have found out the probability for uh, probability of that defective items for 1,000 is, so that was probability of defective is either it will be defective or
0.6.
it will be not defective. It is 60 by 1,000, that is 0.06.
0.6.
0.06. So lambda is the expected, lambda is the expected number of faults or defective items in the consignment of 40, because he is choosing 40 of them. So hence lambda equals to 40 into 0.06, that is 2.4.
4.
বাকিটা ঠিক আছে. So our objective is to find out probability x greater than 3, which is equals to probability 1
1 minus 3.
yes, 1 minus probability x less than equals to 3, which is equals to, as we have written, 1 minus p0 plus p1 plus p2 plus p3. So calculate p0, p1, p2, p3 separately. So p0 is e to the power minus lambda, is e to the power minus 2.4. p1 টাও তাই হবে, তাই তো, e to the power minus 2.4, তাই তো হবে, ফর্মুলা বসিয়ে করো, e to the power minus lambda to the power x by x factorial. So lambda is 2.4, x equals to 0, একবার x equals to 0, একবার x equals to 1, একবার x equals to 2, একবার x equals to 3. So p0 plus p1 plus p2 plus p3 equals to e to the power minus 2.4 plus e to the power minus 2.4 plus e to the power minus 2.4 into, এটা 2 যখন হয়ে 2.4 স্কোয়ার বাই 2 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল। আগেরগুলো 1 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল আর 1 স্কোয়ার করলে একই হবে। এখানে 2.4 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই হবে, ল্যামডা টু দি পাওয়ার এক্স ইন্টু 2.4 হবে এখানে একটা, আর লাস্টেরটা হবে e টু দি পাওয়ার মাইনাস 2.4 কিউব বাই 3 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল দিয়ে সিম্পলিফাই করো, কত হয়? So it will be e to the power minus 2.4 কমন যাবে, 1 plus 2.4, তারপরেরটা 2.4 স্কোয়ার বাই 2 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল হচ্ছে বাই 2 equals to 2.88, আর লাস্টেরটা হচ্ছে 2.4 কিউব বাই 6, 2.304,
হ্যাঁ
তাহলে যোগ করলে হয় প্লাস 2.88 প্লাস 2.4 প্লাস 1 equals to
8.584
8.584
into
into
e to the power minus
into 1 by e to the power 2.4. আমি তো ই খুঁজে, ও এই তো পেয়েছি, ইন্টু 0.7787
7787
আমার কাছে এসছে 0.778
স্যার ই এর ভ্যালুটা স্যার কিভাবে বের করছেন স্যার?
এই এর ভ্যালু দেখো ইয়েতে রয়েছে ই টু দি পাওয়ার এই ক্যালকুলেটরে আছে, দেখো ই বলে একটা বাটন আছে, ই টু দি পাওয়ার এক্স।
সাইন্টিফিক এ না স্যার?
হ্যাঁ সাইন্টিফিক তো ইউজ করতেই হবে।
ও আমার কমার্স ক্যালকুলেটর গুলো।
না কমার্স ক্যালকুলেটর হবে না, কমার্স ক্যালকুলেটর চলবে না এখন, কারণ বদমাস রুট ফলো করে না। আচ্ছা আমি দেখছি, দাঁড়াও আমি বলে দিচ্ছি ই টু দি পাওয়ার -2.4 এর ভ্যালুটা হচ্ছে বলে দিচ্ছি, দাঁড়াও ই টু দি পাওয়ার -2.4 0.0907
0.0907
ই টু দি পাওয়ার -2.4 হচ্ছে 0.0907, তার সঙ্গে ওইটা গুণ করলে কত হয় 0.0907 ইন্টু কত হয়ে গেছিল জানো
8.584
8.58
ওই তো 0.778
778 so that is the answer 0.78 0.78 is the answer. So what we get is 0.78. So our objective was to find out x greater than 3 0 na, so it was 1 minus probability x less than equal to 3, so it is 1 minus 0.78, that means it is 0.22 is the required answer. Yes. শোনো সবকটা অঙ্ক এটা একটুখানি কমপ্লিকেটেড বেশি, অন্য অঙ্কগুলো এত শক্ত হবে না। এভরি টাইম when you use the Poisson distribution, either the lambda will be provided or you have to find the lambda, and if it is here you have to calculate the lambda because it is not created, otherwise বলে দেবে যে in a box of 10 there are supposed to be approximate at an average there are say 3 defective items but 2 defective items, so that means simply lambda is equals to 2. That's the standard way of doing it. Average number, or if it is not provided, then like this particular problem, whatever is given, like in 1000, that's the standard. More than 60 hole that will be rejected. Another problem, let's do another problem. If x is a Poisson variable such that probability x equals to 2 is equals to 9 probability x equals to 4, it is given x is a Poisson variable such that probability x equals to 2 equals to 9 probability x equals to 4 plus আরো আছে 90 probability x equals to 6. Find the mean and variance of x. Find the mean and variance of x. So a relation is given for a Poisson distribution. What it means that x is a random variable which follows Poisson distribution and it satisfies this condition. So let's solve it. This is a very common problem. That comes in the examination. So how we can write probability x equals to 2? So LHS, how we can write for a Poisson distribution, how we can write probability x equals to 2? Somebody please tell me. So e to the power minus lambda to the power 2 by 2 factorial. That is probability x equals to 2, taito? Whatever be the value of lambda. Are you following?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Is equals to, just we'll write down the equation, is equals to 9 probability x equals to 4 will be কি হয় একই রকম e to the power minus lambda বলো lambda to the power বলো
lambda to the power 4
by 4
divided by 4 factorial
4 factorial
plus 90 এখানে আমার এখানে জায়গা নেই plus, so I'm writing it again to the power minus lambda lambda to the power 2 by 2 factorial. এটা হচ্ছে left hand side equals to right hand side আছে what is there right hand side কি আছে
9
9 into probability x to the power 4 so 9 into আচ্ছা into দেখলাম 9 e to the power minus lambda to the power 4 by 4 factorial
4 factorial
plus 90 e to the power minus lambda to the power 6 by
6 factorial
factorial 6 factorial তো তাহলে e to
Yes,
the
sir.
power minus lambda টা কেটে গেল
yes sir
আর lambda স্কয়ারটাও কেটে গেল assuming lambda not equals to 0 সিম্পলিফাই করে lambda ভ্যালু বের করো দেখি এটা সিম্পলিফাই করে lambda স্কয়ারটাকে একটা ভ্যালু একটা lambda to the power 4 দিয়ে একটা ইকুয়েশন আসবে কি আসছে 6 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল মানে হচ্ছে 6 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল মানে হচ্ছে কত 1 720 না 720 তো
yes sir 720
তাহলে এখানে হলো 8 আর 4 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল মানে হচ্ছে 24 আর 2 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল মানে হচ্ছে 2 factorial is 2 so please
2
simplify and solve I am also doing you do it yourself so এখানে কাটলো 12 এখানে হলো 4 তাহলে 4 12 so lambda square কাটলো lambda square and lambda to the power 4 so what we get is 3 lambda to the power 4 plus 9 lambda square minus 12 equals to 0. So 3 order kete jabe. So lambda to the power 4 plus 3 lambda square minus 4 equals to 0. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
And then solve for lambda square. Solve for lambda square. I think what we get from here, it will be lambda square. Middle term making. Plus 4 minus 1. So lambda to the power 4 plus 4 lambda square minus 1 minus lambda square plus 4 equals to 0. So that means if you take lambda square common, lambda square plus 4 minus 1 lambda square plus 4. Simple middle term making equals to 0. So lambda square plus 4 into lambda square minus 1 equals to 0. So lambda square equals to minus 4 and
1
1. Lambda square equals to minus 4 will be neglected. Not possible imaginary value, isn't it?
yes sir
Lambda square is minus 4 is imaginary, so you neglect that. So what we get is lambda square is equals to plus 1. That means lambda equals to plus minus
1
lambda equals to plus minus 1. We also, because lambda is the average number of anything, we will reject the value of lambda. We will take the lambda as plus 1 only. We will take the value of lambda as plus 1, and we have already proved in the previous class that expectation of Poisson variable is lambda and variance also, isn't it? Expectation and variance of Poisson distribution is same. Both of them are lambda. So if you have find the value of lambda, that will be your answer. So that will be your answer. If finding expectation and variance means finding the value of lambda. So there will be a relation, there will be an equation given, a relation given. From there you have to find out the value of lambda. So these are the questions. You please try.